Manual massage. Clear channels, promote circulation, recommended duration, 10 minutes. Apply some oil to your hands and warm it by rubbing them together, then spread it on the abdomen. Alternately knead the belly with both hands. Lift from the waist side to the groin with both of your hands alternately. Alternately push the ascending colon up, the transverse colon sideways, and the descending colon down using both hands. Lift the belt vessel on both sides of the waist with both hands alternately. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Laser pad. Enhances body shaping and boosts metabolism. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Choose a strap, short, medium, or long, depending on individual size, and secure it around the recipient's abdomen. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Allow the device to work for 20 minutes. Turn off the instrument, remove the pads, release the strap, and complete the procedure. Manual massage. Clear channels, promote circulation, time, 10 minutes. Place the arms flat, and use the first web of both hands to push the outer side of the arm. Soothing technique. Warm the outer of the arm by rubbing it with bent fingers. Soothing technique. Put the arm's inner side upward, then use the first web of your hand to push from the inner side of the arm towards the armpit. Soothing technique. Warm the inner side of the arm by rubbing it with bent fingers. Stroke from the arm to the palm. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Laser pad. Enhances body shaping and boosts metabolism. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Weight band, select according to personal needs. Take a strap, select from short, medium, and long straps according to individual size, and fix it on the arm. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Allow the device to work for 20 minutes. Turn off the instrument, remove the pads, release the strap, and complete the procedure.